Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Alex, and in this video we take a deeper look at PopOS 22.04. In the previous video we looked at how to customize the dock and the desktop look for PopOS. Today we shall look at how to install software, tile windows on the desktop, and add the window maximize button. Kindly watch the video to the end, or at least subscribe. Enjoy the video. So this is the start, and the drawer looks a bit different from the normal drawer I'm used to. To install software, I can go to Pop Store. This is Pop Store, and on the Pop Store you can download all kinds of apps. Now remember, PopOS is Ubuntu based, and it uses the apt and flatpak package managers, meaning you can install and remove or update software from OS easily. But for now, let's see. If I wanted to download software from the Pop Store, it's as simple as searching and installing. A Firefox browser comes pre-installed, and you can install other browsers if you want straight from the Pop Store. Now one more thing, if I go to the tiling, I can tile windows and they will rearrange themselves. So you can see I have 3 windows that are open and they have rearranged themselves into 3. I can still move this one over here, then drop this one halfway. So you can rearrange them the way you want, and if you don't want to continue anymore, you can just disable tiling and they will float around as before. Now one thing you notice with all the open windows, there is only a minimize and a close button. You can add a maximize button if you want by going to settings, then go to desktop and scroll to the bottom. We have show maximize button. So if I enable that, you can see it has appeared, and on all other open apps it's now available. Thank you guys for watching.